Okay, welcome back. This is the discussion for 6.7, which is solving logarithmic equations. And again, there was no questions asked yet, but I'm going to do a couple just to cover my bases here. So let's start. Let's look at 2. So I have the log base 3 of 81 is equal to x. And we're asked to solve for x. So I'm going to rewrite this as an exponential. That would be 3 raised to the x equals 81. And use what we did in the last section, in section 6.6. 81 happens to be 3 to the 4th. And so I would write that as 3 to the x equals 3 to the 4th. And therefore, my exponents have to be the same. X has to be equal to 4, and I'm done, right? That again is a very simple one. It's the very, entry level kind of logarithmic equation, the easy ones, right? Let's look at 3. Three says, same question, solve, but I have this 4 plus the log base 5 of 5. Which, if you're familiar with your exponent rules, the log base 5 of 5 you might recognize as 1, right? But that's all right, we'll get there. I want to isolate this log, right? So that I can have a logarithmic equation where log is isolated. I can rewrite that as an exponential. So I'll subtract 4 from both sides. That gives me just the log base 5 of 5 is equal to x minus 4. And then I'll rewrite this as an exponential, where I have 5 raised to this power, so 5 raised to the difference x minus 4 is equal to the other 5. This 5 over here is like a 5 to the 1, and therefore this turns into x minus 4 equals 1. And if I add 4 to both sides, I get x equals 5. Okay. Good. So again, not terribly difficult, not the worst thing that's ever happened, but the idea is to isolate that log before you do anything else. All right, let's look at one last one. Let's look at number 7. It says 6 plus log base 3 of x plus 5 is equal to 8. Okay. So once again, I want to isolate this log. All of this other junk, by which I mean this 6, I want away from the log, so I will subtract 6 from both sides. That gets the 6 out of the left-hand side, leaving you with just the log base 3 of x plus 5 equals 8 minus 6 is 2. And now I can rewrite it as an exponential. 3 to the 2 equals x plus 5. The 3 to the 2 is 9, so I get 9 equals x plus 5. And if I subtract 5 from both sides, then I get 4 equals x equals 4, and I'm done. Okay. Good. Hopefully that helps. I'll see you guys for the next.